So this is our all new 4x5 filter line that we've developed in collaboration with Motion Clubhouse. Chris and Martin helped us design pretty much the perfect line of 4x5 filters. Now, the main thing that's gonna be different from these is the built-in aluminum frame, and that does two things. The first, it just adds extra protection from either drops or when your matte box is grabbing them, it protects the edge of the glass from that metal part grabbing and chipping your 4x5 filter. The second is it allows us to laser etch the filter identifier on the top of it and the front of it, so you can clearly and cleanly see which filter you've got installed in your matte box or displayed out in your bag. Now, these filters are the same exact diameter as standard 4x5 filters, even with the frame. So this thing's gonna fit perfectly across any matte box you have that accepts 4x5 filters, as well as the all new Nano matte box that we just launched, as well as the base camp with the 4x5 adapter. And another thing that the built-in frames do is just makes it way easier for you to handle filters without getting fingerprints or smudges all over them. So installing them into the matte box is super easy and you don't have to worry about getting your smudgy fingers everywhere. And we've got a full line of neutral density filters, starting with 1 stop, the ND2, all the way up through 7 stops, the ND128, and that's just gonna provide consistent, clean color through that entire stop range, and that's gonna color match perfectly with any other PolarPro glass that you already own. Then we also have the effects filter line as well. So we've got the silver morphic, which is gonna flare whatever color light source you're shooting. It's gonna give you that anamorphic flare. We've got the gold morphic, which is gonna flare gold, and then you've got the blue morphic, which is gonna flare blue. We've got the diffusion line, so we've got our mist filters, we've got the mist light, which is gonna be a 1/8 strength diffusion. We've got the regular mist, which is similar to a 1/4 strength diffusion, and the mist heavy, which is a 1/2 strength diffusion to create halation and bloom highlights. And the final filter we've got in the line is the UV, and this provides 99.9% transmission. Essentially, this is just for putting in front of the camera to protect the lens element. So if you've already got built-in NDs and you just wanna run some protection in front of your cameras, use the 4x5 UV filter. And each of these are constructed with our Cinema Series glass, which is our highest level of glass, which is optically polished to be perfectly flat. So this piece of glass will resolve the largest video sensors on the market. And that's our 4x5 filter lineup. If you guys have any questions, shoot us an email. I'm Jeff, and I'll see you on the next one.